Rachel's Routine presents Clean Up Before Bed. Hello, friend. Today you will learn to clean up before bedtime. Let's begin. Look around the room. Look. Pick up your toys. Lift. Put toys in their bins. Drop. Check the floor. Look. Pick up any extras. Lift. Put books on the shelf. Slide. Put clothes in the hamper. Drop. Straighten your pillows. Fluff. Pull up the blanket. Smooth. The room looks nice. Good job. Turn off the light. Click. All done. Your room is ready for sleep. This is how we take care of our space. Nice work! Thanks for watching Rachel's Routines. Visit our page for more cool videos. Bye-bye!